Hi everyone, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW A80s and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on gestures, so the second option, and again on the second option we've got the system navigation, so let's tap. So now we have to simply tap on gesture navigation, and you can see that instead of the 3 buttons we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. Here we've got the animation, but of course in a second I will explain all of the gestures which you can use. You can also enter the settings icon and you can change the back sensitivity, and to be honest I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gesture, so you will be able to decide whether you need this sensitivity to be higher or lower. So now in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, just like that, and if you can see this arrow, simply release the finger. The same situation from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device. And make sure that this gesture will be quick and short, something like that, and you've got the home page. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, however this time hold your finger somewhere here like that, and here you've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.